In this video, I am going to talk about some major news that was released last week for Prospect Capital. It's a business development company and ticker symbol PSEC. Before I begin, though, I will preface this by saying I am not a financial advisor, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. And as always, do your own due diligence and research before investing. Okay, with that out of the way, let's go into the article. This was on investing.com, and it says Prospect Capital hits 52-week low at 469 amid market shifts. And it was published last Friday, the 8th. Take away some key points here. Basically, the stock, it's at its 52-week low. Keeps decreasing over significant challenges in the broader market. There are a couple optimistic things in here. This statement here, they are going to reclassify 20 million shares of common stock to preferred stock, and they're talking about having a strong fourth quarter. Going further down in the article, Wells Fargo dropped their price target from $5 to $4.50. Excuse me. And also a couple other points here. And they have a strong balance sheet and diversified funding, as well as strong liquidity. So those are key points of this article. The dividend yield is still high. And what is the factor for the drop in the share price? Well, on Thursday, the 7th, the company announced they're going to be cutting their dividend by 25%. So it's actually going to go from 6 cents per share down to 4.5 cents per share. And this is the first dividend decrease since 2017 for the company. Let's go into the NASDAQ. About this company here, you can see this is taking effect this month. So the X date is November 26th. For the longest time, they've been handing out a 6 cents per share dividend, which has been really nice. You have to scroll all the way back down here to August of 2017. And yes, so it's kind of a major decrease. Like I said, 25% decrease. However, it still is, it should be above a 10% yield. And let's check out the chart here. What's the price action been doing? So here you can see last week it's been in the $5 something range, and then once that news was released, it took a strong dive down into the 450 range, and then over the last couple trading days, it's kind of been bouncing down and up. So I'm invested in this one. I'm not going to tell you what to do. But personally, for me, I'm going to back off on the investing on this one. I'm still going to keep reinvesting my dividends, but now is the time for more diversification in these dividend-paying stocks. So I'm going to just kind of take my foot off the gas on this one and explore some other companies and other stocks that pay dividends. It's really unfortunate that they're cutting this dividend, but hopefully with a stronger economic market and better financial conditions in the future, hopefully they can turn it around and at least maintain this 4.5 cent dividend for a long time. So that's going to be it for this video. As always, do your own research before investing, consult a financial advisor, and I will see you in the next one.